Hi, I'm Jesse Haller, product developer. I hit a Hendrickson. Hi, I'm Jesse Haller, product developer for Orvis, and I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about casting your European and tightline nymphing rig. European nymphing techniques differ from traditional fly fishing method in that it uses a very long leader, thin tippets, and heavy flies to get your flies down much quicker. This requires a slightly different setup because you're not using the weight of the fly line to load the fly rod. You're actually using the weight of the flies and a little bit of the fly line to actually project your flies forward to get them to the strike zone. Today I'm fishing with the Helios 3F 10.5 foot 3 weight. This rod was specifically designed for European nymphing tightline technique. I'm also fishing with the Hydros Tactical Nymph fly line, which is designed specifically for European technique as well. When utilizing a tightline nymphing or European nymphing rig, you have a little bit different leader setup than you do with a traditional fly rod. With a traditional fly rod, you're actually casting the weight of the line. But because this nymphing technique uses such fine leaders and fly lines, you don't get the same load out of your fly rod that you would with a traditional line. So what we typically do is we use a little bit more of the weight of the flies and a little bit less of the weight of the fly line to get our flies out there. Since the equipment is designed specifically for European nymphing, you still can use a traditional casting method, like this. Or you can use a water load by simply laying your flies downstream, let the weight of the water load the rod, lift your rod tip, and cast your rod tip where you want it to go.